Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today's our topic is basic geometrical concepts, worksheet 1. In our last class we have discussed definitions of point, ray, line segments and different kind of lines. Today we will solve some questions. So let us start with question number 3. Classify the following pair of lines as parallel और intersecting lines. इनमें हमें बताना है कि कौन सी लाइंस इंटरसेक्टिंग हैं और कौन सी लाइंस पैरेलल हैं. अब आपको पता है पैरेलल लाइंस डू नॉट मीट ईच अदर एनीवेयर, वो एक दूसरे को कहीं भी मीट नहीं करती. एंड इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस मीट each other at one point. So in this figure the lines meet at this point, so these are intersecting lines. These lines are parallel lines, these are also parallel lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines. Now in this, if we produce line B, it will intersect line A at point this. So these are also intersecting lines. Question number 4 is fill in the following blanks. An orange has dash surface, curved surface. A 100 rupee note has a flat surface. Dash lines can pass through one given point in a plane. Use property 1 of point and line. We can pass so many lines through one point. 3 or more points in a plane which lie on the same line. वो points जो एक line पे lie करते हैं are called collinear points. Lines in a plane which do not meet anywhere are called parallel lines. Two lines which cut each other at a point are called intersecting lines. Now question number 5 is in the given figure. First part is we have to write all the pair of parallel lines. Now see the figure. Line L is parallel to M, so first pair is L M. Again L is parallel to N, so second pair is L comma N. Also M and N are parallel to each other, so third pair is M comma N. Part B is the lines whose point of intersection is E, यानी कि इस पॉइंट पे कौन सी लाइंस हैं मीट करती हैं. देखो एक तो R है लाइन और इधर से N. सो द लाइंस whose point of intersection is E, R and N. One set of 4 collinear points. हमें एक सेट बताना है कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स का, यानी कि वो वाले पॉइंट्स जो एक लाइन पे लाई करते हैं. सी ए बी सी डी ऑल लाइज ऑन द लाइन टी, सो ए बी सी डी आर कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. और यू कैन राइट जी एफ ई डी. All these 4 points lie on line R, so these points are also collinear points. Part D is any 4 pair of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines meet each other at one point, so see the lines which meet at point A, L and T. So this is one pair of intersecting lines. Again at point B, the lines intersect at point B are T and M. Similarly, third pair is N, T. Fourth is the lines meet at point D, R and T. Also, we can write the lines meet at point G, F, E. But in this part, we have to write only 4 pairs. So, these are 4 pairs. Part E is the point of intersection of line M and T. M एंड टी किस पॉइंट पे मीट करते हैं? बी पे. सो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज बी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. In the given figure we have to write the lines are concurrent at point A. You know what are concurrent lines? 3 or more lines which pass through a common point are called concurrent lines. So we have to find the lines which pass through point A. This line, this and this. So this line is N, this is R and this is M. So the lines concurrent at point A are N, R and M. Part C is the lines concurrent at point G. जो इस पॉइंट से पास होती हैं लाइंस. एक तो ये वाली लाइन है, एक ये वाली लाइन है और एक ये वाली लाइन है. नाउ चेक, दिस लाइन इज Q, दिस लाइन इज R and this is P. So the lines concurrent at point G are P, Q and R. Part D is the point of intersection of 3 lines L, P and M. L, P and M. ये तीनों लाइंस किस पॉइंट में से पास हो रही हैं? पॉइंट C में से. सो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज C. Part E is all the points that lie in this plane. इस प्लेन में कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स लाई करते हैं? आपको पता है, वी डिनोट द पॉइंट्स बाय कैपिटल लेटर्स. सो ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now question number 9 is, in this figure we have to write lines concurrent at D and B. वो lines जो D से concurrent हैं. So the lines concurrent at point D, जो lines D में से पास होती हैं, N, L and M. Again lines concurrent at B, जो B में से पास होती हैं. दिस लाइन एंड दिस लाइन इज नथिंग बट L एंड दिस लाइन इज R. सो R, L एंड Q. पार्ट सेकंड इज पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस ऑफ लाइंस AD, AB एंड AC. ये तीनों लाइंस किस पॉइंट में से पास होती हैं? पॉइंट A में से. सो पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस इज A. Similarly, you can solve all the questions of worksheet 1. Complete worksheet 1 on your notebooks. Thank you and have a good day.